Hi, welcome back. This is Adventures with Dr. Joe. Today we're going to look at the new Dust Deputy Low Pro Deluxe from Oneida. I've been a big fan of Oneida for many years. Let me show you. So you can see I have this large Oneida V system that basically powers my whole shop. And I have the emergency light that tells me when my bin is full so I don't put a lot of chips into the filter. That's a real pain. I've got an Oneida Dust Deputy with each of my fine shop vacs. I got the clear one so you can really see everything. And I've got the nice Oneida Dust Deputy system that fits right on top of my Festool Mini. It works really well. This box Oneida sent to me, and I want to say I really appreciate it. So I was going to take it apart. We'll inspect it, set it up, and we'll put it to work. It comes in a nice double package. Oh, look at that. Here it is already. So we'll just take it out of there. Everything's in one bucket. Yeah, look at how low profile this is. Fantastic. Look at the difference. This low profile is super low, really compact. The Dust Deputy sits about 8 to 10 inches higher than that. So that's going to make a really compact unit. First thing we're going to do is put in this gasket. It goes in with this ridge inward. So we'll just start, and it's a tight fit. So we'll just start here. And I get the outside edge in first, then tuck in the thicker part. And it's going in pretty well. And it's a really nice, thick, soft gasket. Should make a good seal. So again, putting in the gasket with the thicker side inward. I started by getting the narrow side in first, and then we want a nice butt joint here. All right, that fits well. Next, we want to secure the latches. Screw washer goes right into this hole here. Put it in like that. The other side on. There are the latches now. So we've got the deluxe version with the wheels. I first started by drawing a line from these two tabs with my ruler, and then I just took a 90-degree square and made the other ones. We're going to put in these are going to fit just like this, and so then the caster goes in like that. They're not screwed in. You'd think, oh, I first thought maybe I didn't get all the hardware I was supposed to get, but no, these are secured with these double-sided sticky foam tabs, probably pretty strong. So we'll get all the casters secured. They actually go in really nicely. Some casters are a struggle, these are not. So each of these caster sets has a recessed space here. You can kind of see it. There's one here and one here. We're going to apply those in those areas. Take off the backing tape. Right there. Right there. And then we'll put our first one on, line it up really nicely, and secure it. That's it. When you put these casters on, be sure you get this groove in the edge of the bucket. So I get that in there nice first. Included in the kit is a lanyard that you can actually connect your low profile dust deputy to your shop vac, and if you pull the shop vac around, this will be pulled around with it. But mine stay in one location, so I'm pretty much not going to do that, but it's a cool feature if you're going to be dragging it around the shop from one place to the other. So go ahead and install that. That's the next step. So to put this on, we're supposed to pull these latches out simultaneously. And they will go, there it goes. So now that's gripping it nicely. Man, that's nice. Look at how compact that is. For fine dust situations, Oneida has included this grounding tape. We'll put it on. I've used it with my other dust collectors too. I've never had a spark or a fire, but it could happen. So we'll just put this inside there just a little bit. We're going to cut it there. And then we'll bring a little piece down over this. And if you want, for additional grounding, you could attach a wire to the screw and the tape and bring that down and basically ground it. Okay, I've hooked it up to our dust collector. Yeah, it's sucking great. Beautiful. So I think I'm going to love using this. Look at how compact and nice it is. Freely mobile on its wheels. You can also put some 1/4 inch by 20 bolts through the 3 holes in the bottom. Little screws, nuts, washers if you really want to secure it. But I think it's going to be pretty good. In the event it loosens up, that's what I would do. But I really like it so far. Now what we're going to do is run it through its paces. So the Dust Deputy and the other Oneida products are stated to remove 99% of all debris suctioned up into here. And if you look at the filter of my fine dust collector, I have used this for years. And look at that. It's absolutely pristine. The bucket is great. I mean, there's a little bit of dust on the inside of it, but that's it. One thing that's nice is that my normal collector hose that I had to put some tape around the outside of this because it didn't have the greatest fit actually fits inside of this, which is beautiful. And the dust collection, the main hose from my fine, fits inside that tightly, beautiful. Really good. So this is a nice improvement for sure. So it's really worked incredibly well. Just the finest dust gets through, and very little. But this was a review of the Dust Deputy Low Pro, the low profile compact unit from Oneida. Very nice, high quality materials, easy to assemble, and we'll put it through its paces. If this was helpful, thumbs up. Consider subscribing. Thank you.